let's also decide what we're going to make a design for. So in my case, let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a logo for a company about, let's say, shoes. Okay, this company sells shoes. So we have a blue background. Now, once we have a blue background, we're going to need some good elements to add in this. So the best thing is to not keep your logo dull. You're going to need to add some stuff in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and add some textures. Okay, I'm going to search up textures, and it's going to give us all these different textures to add. So I'm gonna go with, by the way, it would be preferably better if you get Canva Pro for yourself, because in that way you can get a lot of great textures totally for free. So this seems like a cool texture, makes my design look pretty cool, makes it look pretty popping. So I'm gonna stay on this. And once we have this, what we're gonna want to do from here is we're gonna go ahead and simply add some elements that are related to shoes, okay?